Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. Today's update is going to get really exciting here because Onyxcoin is tightening within our symmetric triangle. We're seeing developments happen in the 4-hour time frame, and it's just a matter of time for Onyxcoin to break out. So let's go and dive into the charts here. So quickly looking over at the daily time frame, we are going to take a look at the 4-hour time frame because quite honestly, nothing's really developing so much on the weekly time frame and the daily as well. From day after day, we're seeing the tight squeeze into the apex of our symmetric triangle, and we are gearing up for a breakout. But quickly taking a look on the daily time frame, we can see that the price is consolidating around our 38% of our Fibonacci at 0.020. Now, this symmetric triangle pattern is still intact as price is consolidating closer to the area of resistance, coming down to an area of support here. The RSI is approaching oversold territories, so we may see that temporary bounce here at 34%. And of course, our MACD indicator that measures momentum here is getting lighter in the color, and the histograms are getting quite small as well. So we can almost anticipate that the buyer interest is going to show up here, especially when we see the RSI is approaching that oversold territory. Now, when we take a look on the 4-hour time frame, this here is something that I do want to show you with our Bollinger Bands. So our Bollinger Bands measure volatility. If we see the Bollinger Bands expand, that means higher volatility. Price is going to move fairly quickly here. And if we see the Bollinger Bands kind of move in a horizontal, just a narrow area, that means it's going to be consolidating. And if we see any tightness or squeezes in the Bollinger Bands, it's amping for a breakout, depending on where the price closes on the 20 moving average. So we can already anticipate that breakout is fastly approaching here on the symmetric triangle on our daily time frame. And zooming into the 4-hour time frame here, we can see that we are approaching that breakout from this tightness and the squeeze for this Bollinger Band. Now, when we see Onyxcoin, the price itself in this breakout essentially needs to close above our 20 moving average for the price and the volatility breakout to break in an uptrend. So we see this tightness of the squeeze of the Bollinger Bands. It is amping up for that major move. We do need the buyers to push the price for Onyxcoin at 0.021. If we're able to reclaim that price itself and break above it, we are going to break out in a major move here. Now, projection prices for me myself in a symmetric triangle is most likely coming up to the 50% of our Fibonacci at 0.025, depending on how fast and growth the buyers take it. We see the volume up 25% activity so far in the last 24 hours. Then it could possibly spike up to 0.031, but essentially we do need to see that movement in the 4-hour time frame. So that's kind of what I am looking at in the next couple of days or so. We do see in this 4-hour time frame a lot of selling activity, and the body of the candlestick is at the bottom here. So it does show a lot of selling aggressions. However, momentum in the 4-hour time frame here is slowing down in terms of the sellers. So I am hoping that we do see that break above the 20 moving average in order for us to break above the basically come up to that 3 cents is kind of my target in the next couple of weeks or so. Let me know what you guys think down below if we are going to be breaking out in the next 48 hours. Pretty exciting times here. If we do potentially see a break below our symmetric triangle, then we're hoping to see any support from our 50 moving average, because we do see it quite close to the bottom of our support line. But let me know what you guys think down below. Thanks so much for supporting me in this Onyxcoin journey, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.